Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 missing executable Mac. So if you're getting an error message, an error occurred while updating Counter-Strike 2 missing executable global offensive on your Mac. Okay, so to fix that problem, firstly, it is worth noting that Counter-Strike 2 is currently not compatible with Mac OS according to the Steam community forums. As a result, there is no current support for Macs when it comes to running the game. So the first one is to clear the download cache. One potential solution is to clear the download cache in Steam. To do this, open Steam and go to the Steam menu at top left of the screen. From there, select the settings and then downloads. Click on the clear download cache button and then restart Steam. Then try launching the game again to see if the issue has been resolved. Next is to update the game. Another potential solution is to update the game to the latest version. So to do this, just open your Steam and go to your library, right click on the Counter-Strike 2 and select the properties, go to the local files tab and click on verify integrity of game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and download them if necessary. The next one is to check for server outages. So to check if this is the case, you can visit the third-party websites that use community feedback to detect if there is any server outage. And then update your graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can also cause issues when running games on a Mac. To update your graphics drivers, go to the Apple menu at the top left of the screen and select the About This Mac. Click on the Software Update button to check for any available updates. If there are any updates available, install them and then try launching the game again. And then the next one is to check the system requirements. Make sure your Mac meets the minimum system requirements for running Counter-Strike 2. The game requires at least Mac OS 10.15 Catalina or later, an Intel Core i3 processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and graphics card with at least 1 gigabyte of VRAM. If your Mac does not meet these requirements, then unfortunately you will not be able to run the game. Next one is to reinstall the game. If none of the above solutions work, you can try reinstalling the game. So to do this, go to your Steam library, right click on the Counter-Strike 2 and select uninstall. Once the game has been uninstalled, restart Steam and then download and reinstall the game again. And then the next one is to run the game with administrative privileges. Finally, it is worth trying to run a game with administrative privileges. To do this, right click on the game icon and select Get Info. Under the Sharing and Permissions section, click on the lock icon and enter your admin password. Then change the permissions for your user account to read and write. Close the window and try launching the game. So if you want more information about these steps, you can just visit this website. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.